मेहता का उल्टा चश्मा है।
Subscribe now.
One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10. Are you all hidden? I am coming. Okay, Sonu is hiding here. I will catch her now. Gotcha! Hello!
Wow! Hey!
Candlelight Garba has made my heart so happy. What do you say, Tapu's dad?
What have you done, Daya? Hey! Hey, Daya! Daya, listen, Daya! Daya! Stop dancing in your dream and light this candle, man.
Oh, it was a dream.
Yes. Yes.
It was so amazing.
Hey, man, we are not here to do candlelight Garba. We have come here to find out why the power is out in the society.
Did a dancing ghost possess Daya auntie?
Here, take this. Huh? These mosquitoes are so annoying.
Uncle, on your nose. It's sitting on your nose, uncle. Now it's on your head, uncle.
Let's blow out the candles. Hey, Hathi, be careful, man. What is this?
Sorry, Jethalal.
It's okay, it's okay. Huh?
Hey, Pene, I wanted to blow out my candle.
Easy, guys.
How funny these people are.
Come on, since the power is back, let's go and sleep comfortably. Let's go, let's go.
Today I will have fun with the pranksters. I will definitely scare the Tapu Sena. I will definitely do it. I will shake the world.
What is this? The power went out again?
Now I'll teach them a lesson. Soon.
Looks like you all got badly scared. How did I scare you? Huh? I scared the Tapu Sena today. Got so scared just by this. When I was your age, I used to go and hide in dark places alone during hide and seek. And then there's you guys.
Popat uncle, don't laugh so much. If we had scared you, you also would have scared like us. Yes.
That's true. That's what I'm saying. I'm not a coward like you guys. Cowardly kids. But it was so much fun. Did you see Sonu's face? Cowardly kids.
Popat uncle is the Tappu Sena's next target. Now there is only one mission to scare the guts out of him.
Come on, journalist Popatlal. Today's work is finished. Ah, it's completely deserted. Looks like I got too late at the office today. Ah, what happened to this light? Seems I have to go home quickly.
Come on, Tappu Sena, let the mission begin.
Today's news is done. Just hope there is no problem overnight. Huh. Who's making this sound like a water spray? Is it a fountain? It seems someone is following me. I can hear voices, but can't see anyone. I can't figure out if this is the sound of my footsteps or someone else. Is the dancing ghost really appeared? Save me. I gather the courage to look back. What should I do? Where should I go?
Yes, Tappu Sena. So, Popat uncle, we scared you, didn't we?
Tappu Sena. I wasn't scared. I just slipped on this banana skin and fell down. Nothing else. It's not that easy to scare Popat uncle. Go now. Go to your homes. Go.
The banana peel saved you today, but we will see how long you can escape.
The kids really scared me today.
Quietly follow me. Sonu, start. I will tear your umbrella into pieces.
Who's it? Who's it? Who's that enemy with my umbrella?
Goki!
It seems it was a bad dream. Who's it? Who's it? Nowadays, even dreams feel like they are in 3D. Now this light has started turning on and off too. Let me drink some water.
The Trinity Coast.
Hey! Oh, my uncle got scared.
Got scared.
Got scared. Oh, my uncle got scared. He isn't scared. He fell asleep.
What? But this was a foolproof plan.
Looks like Popat Uncle doesn't get scared for real.
I have one last idea that will definitely scare Popat Uncle. Let's scare him tomorrow. Looking at him, I'm feeling sleepy too. Let's rest today. Tomorrow we will definitely scare Popat Uncle.
But I don't know what other tricks they will try on me. These kids have scared me so much that I can't tell if the ghost is real or fake. I don't know who might appear from where. Who's it? Who's it? Who's it? I will shake the world. Who's it? Who was it? Let me quickly slip into the house. Who knows who might come from where? Let's go.
Gogi has been giving a signal.
Oh, Gogi, look, I'm giving the signal.
Now the lights have also gone out.
Double ghost attack alert!
Goli, what are you eating? Let's go.
Oh my God.
Goli is something else.
There's no one here.
Get up change. Get up change.
Yes! Mission is on! Why do these two look like third-grade ghosts from a second-hand film? Popat Uncle will surely get scared and won't laugh, right, Tippo? This is a foolproof plan, Sanu, which is also working.
Yeah.
Hey, forget the kids. These days, even the crows don't sleep on you at night. who's that? Dancing girls. I think he's gone. Let's go.
Popat Uncle's world has been shaken. Golly, go this way, right in front of Popat Uncle.
The final part of the plan.
I can't see anyone anywhere. Where did they go? Where did they go? Huh? Who just bumped into me? There is no one visible here. No. What wrong I have done to you all? Now what has happened? Oh my God, what all is going to happen to me today? This is a strange place. Oh, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. Why are these ghosts increasing in number again and again?
You are not afraid of us ghosts, so we are increasing our fear.
Oh, who said I'm not scared? I'm very scared of you all. I'm very scared. I'm very scared of every single thing. No. I don't know what wrong I have done to ghosts. Everywhere I look, I see only ghosts. Please stop. Just stop. Just stop. I haven't slept for 2 days out of fear. I don't even remember when I last ate food.
Why, Puppet Uncle? Did your world get shaken?
It means you are a little scared, right?
Little? Oh, Lord! I'm very scared of all things.
Did you see Tapu's plan? Popat Uncle's voice seems to be shaken a bit too much. Hello. Hello.
Hey, there. What happened? Hey, at least tell me. Hey, wait. Hey. Where did you go? Didn't even tell me why you were so happy, huh?
Hey, a salesman has come to our society. He's selling very cheap things. A cable for 300 rupees only.
So expensive.
Yes, but he's also giving a TV for rupees 20. Ice cream for rupees 200.
So expensive.
Hey, but he's also giving a fridge for rupees 20. Let's go to the premises.
Yeah, there.
Listen. Our factory, which makes unique items, is closing down. So we are selling all the items at a cheap price. Come and take advantage of it. Get a revolving chair for 4,000.
So expensive.
We will give you 4,000. Isn't this chair unlucky?
Let me also see what this chair is like.
Come. Welcome, sir. Please check. Huh?
Hey, wow! It's fun.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Someone please stop.
Rascal, what did you do?
I will shake the world. Ayya, I can't see anything.
Such expensive flour is being wasted. Let me collect some.
Hey.
This is not an unlucky chair. It's a terrifying one.
Hey, Tappu's father.
Oh my God! Oh, Daya, you scared me. You really have a unique item, huh? But what can be unique about shoes?
Oh, sir. You just have to run wearing these. And if you stop, you will get stuck there itself.
Huh? What? Feet to the shoes.
No, shoes on the ground. Hey, why are you standing? Keep running.
It's too much fun to run wearing these shoes.
Hey, you should have worn these slippers, right?
Hey, this is even more unique than that. Especially for those people who want to fly in life.
What do you mean?
Hey,
Okay, I got it. Yoo-hoo! My childhood dream has come true. Madhuri, make 2 extra for me.
Oh my God, Daya.
Tappu's exams are coming, right? I'll show you now. From now on, the TV is off.
Mom, no!
I have had enough of running in circles in the society. Now I will go for a run in the city.
Hey, Tappu's father has left. Let me go after him too.
Move aside! Move aside! What should I do now? Yeah. Run.
Oh, my rickshaw!
Move aside! What should I do now? I am completely stuck.
Don't worry, I am here.
Wow, there, wow. You saved me.
Now you run here.
Hey, who's it? Yeah. He's running away with my car steering wheel. Hey, catch him. Oh, I'm tired from running so much. Oh, the shoes are stuck again. I have to run again. Yes. Yes. I'll climb the building. Oh, my mobile. Thank you, dear.
You just run. Dad!
Shoes. Hey, I'm worried about my son and daughter-in-law here, and you are concerned about shoes.
One will only speak about what they are worried about, right?
Help!
What? The shadow is running. Where is the man?
Wow, a husband should be like this. He's running and still buying vegetables.
Fresh potatoes.
I have an idea to take off Dad's shoes.
Oh, Chapu, do something. I am tired of running.
Removed it.
Thank you, Tapu. You took off my shoes. I'm so annoyed with the shoes that from now on I will wear these slippers with the suit, not shoes.
Hey, Tapu! Somehow take off my slippers too. I have jumped around a lot.
Tayaji,
You just keep running around. You stay fit.
Tapu has a plan to remove Mob's slippers. Listen to me.
Hey.
Tapuda. You got me. Get rid of the slippers. Shoo, shoo.
Hey, Daya. Which shoe do you want now?
Where is the shoe?
Oh, I was shooing away a crow. Shoo, shoo, shoo.
गोली, क्या हुआ? इतनी जल्दी थक गए? फ्रेंड्स, एक आइडिया है। क्यों ना स्केट्स पे पकड़ा पकड़ी हो जाए?
ओए टप्पू, क्या आइडिया है? ओए पकड़ गोली, आजा आजा।
अरे रुको, मैं भी आ रहा हूँ। आजा आजा। ये पकड़ा। क्या हुआ? अरे पकड़ लिया। अरे बच गया। हट जा गोली। अभी पकड़ता हूँ। बच गया। अरे कुछ नहीं किया, खेलते हैं। ये पकड़ा।
ओए क्या हुआ?
अरे बाप रे, भिड़े अंकल का स्कूटर। भागो।
आज तो बड़ा शांत दिन है। बच्चों, अभी मेरा छाता खोलता हूँ। गिर गया।
अरे पोपटलाल,
पापा यहाँ ऐसे क्यों बैठे हो? घर में आराम से सोफे पर बैठिए।
ए टप्पू, तेरी वजह से टप्पू, वरना मैं अभी घर पे ही होता।
अरे बाप रे, मेरे सखाराम को किसने गिराया? ओए, ये पोपू ने कौन सा आसन कर दिया? इन बच्चों ने मेरे ही छाते से मेरा ही मुंह तोड़ दिया। अभी तक तो मेरी शादी भी नहीं हुई है।
पोपट अंकल, पहले ना आपका फेस थोड़ा टेढ़ा था, पर अब एकदम सीधा हो गया है।
जरा देखो, तुम सबने सोसाइटी का क्या हाल बना रखा है।
अरे टप्पू,
अरे देखो तो, मेरे सखाराम की भी वाट लग गई है। पिड़ू, वो स्कूटर तो पहले से ही खटारा था, अब तू नया ले ले।
तुम बच्चों को ना उधम मचाने के सिवा कुछ आता भी है? कुछ शांति वाला काम करो, जैसे पेपर पढ़ना, बुक पढ़ना।
भिड़े अंकल, मैं करता हूँ ना दूसरे काम। पिज्जा खाना, आइसक्रीम खाना, चॉकलेट भी खाना।
ए गोया, जरा खाने के बाहर निकल।
वैसे भिड़े अंकल, पेट दिमाग से बड़ा होता है। भिड़े अंकल, टप्पू इन सब चीजों के लिए नहीं बना है। Come on दोस्तों, join me.
मुझे क्या एकदम मस्त है। नहीं?
अंकल, स्केटिंग करना हमारी सुपर पावर है।
और बुक्स तो कोई भी पढ़ सकता है। आप लोग हमारी तरह स्केटिंग करके दिखा दो तो हम हमेशा के लिए स्केट करना बंद कर देंगे।
बेटे, अगर हम थोड़ी स्केटिंग कर ले तो हमेशा के लिए यह मुसीबत टल जाएगी।
हाँ, कितना मुश्किल हो सकता है, दुनिया हिला दूंगा।
भाई तू बीच में आ गया, वरना मैं अच्छा ही कर रहा था।
बहुत मुश्किल है, दुनिया हिलानी। अरे सॉरी भाई, छाते को छोड़ना मत। ओए नहीं पप्पू, ओए मैं क्यों छोड़ूंगा? ओए ये तो बहुत बड़ा मुश्किल है भाई। ओए क्या करें?
ओए टप्पू, ये लोग तो चैंपियन निकले। अरे वेट एंड वॉच गोगी।
ओ यार, ये बच्चे तो हम पर हंसने लग गए। और चलो दोस्तों, अब तो हमें कुछ ना कुछ कमाल दिखाना ही पड़ेगा।
भाई, अरे मेरा पैर को छोड़ दे, मैं गिर जाऊंगा।
चलो भैया, हम भी कुछ कमाल दिखाते हैं।
अरे अरे अरे, ये कर क्या रहे हैं ये लोग? कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा है। अरे एक दूसरे को पकड़ के तो कोई भी कर लेगा।
ये भाई लोग सुनो, इधर आओ, मेरे पास एक बड़ी आइडिया है। सुनो, समझे है कि नहीं? झकास है।
इतनी बोरिंग स्केटिंग तो मैंने कभी देखी ही नहीं।
बहुत मजा आ रहा है। बचाओ, बचाओ।
ओए जेठाब्रा, और वट्टा राउंड मारते हैं, आ जाओ।
हाँ सोटी भाई, अभी तो पूरी तरह सीख चुके हैं।
अरे पापा रुक जाओ, बाहर मत जाओ, अभी तो आपने ठीक से सीखा भी नहीं है। पापा!
अरे वाह, बड़ा मजा आ रहा है। चलो आज तो पूरा शहर घुमाते हैं।
अरे ये तो बड़ा डेंजरस है।
पापा वहाँ तो स्लोप है और आप लोगों को ब्रेक लगाना नहीं आता। हाँ? पापा रुकिए!
अरे सोनी भाई, पोपटलाल, मेरे लिए रुको। अरे अरे अरे
ए भाई,
संभाल भाई। पानी, आग लग गई।
अरे मेरे पानी के पैसे तो देते जाओ।
अब जरा शांति मिले भाई। अरे क्या क्या? क्या हो रहा है भाई? कुछ दिख नहीं
भूताया भागो। अरे ये तो बड़ा आसान है, मजा आ रहा है। अरे अरे इस स्केटिंग को ब्रेक कैसे लगता है? अरे नारळ पानी भगवान का प्रसाद समझकर पी लेता हूँ।
ये नारियल कहाँ से आ गया? अरे ये तो खाली है। बच्चों हट जाओ भाई।
अरे वाह, आज तो मजा आ गया। स्कूल जाने के लिए कितनी बढ़िया लिफ्ट मिली है। अंकल चलो। बस बस अंकल, स्कूल आ गया।
ओए यार पोपट, बच गए यार बाल बाल। हाँ सोनी भाई, हमें तो ब्रेक लगाना ही नहीं आता था।
अंकल आगे जाने के लिए हेल्प चाहिए।
अरे अरे बॉल बचा यार।
भाई कोई रोको मुझे।
टप्पू के पापा।
दया।
डरो मत, मैं आ गई हूँ।
दया, तुम्हें ब्रेक मारना आता है?
नहीं, पर मैं तो बस आपका साथ देने आई हूँ।
अरे साथ में क्या अचार बनाएंगे?
अरे नहीं, साथ में जिएंगे, साथ में मरेंगे, साथ में स्केटिंग भी करेंगे।
भागो भागो।
आप लोग डरो मत, हम आपको रोक लेंगे। आप बस आगे होकर ऐसे ब्रेक लगाओ।
टप्पू बेटा, अगर मुझे आता होता तो मैं कब का ब्रेक लगा देता। कुछ कर। अरे वाह टप्पू बेटा, क्या मस्त आइडिया है। वाह।
रेडी? अरे मम्मी पापा, स्लो स्लो।
रुकने को कहा था, स्पीड बढ़ाने को नहीं।
ओह नो! गोगी, ये लो रस्सी। पकड़ लिया। ओ तेरी, इन्होंने तो मुझे ही खींच लिया। ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जिससे ये रुक जाएंगे? गोली!
अरे नहीं, गोली हट जा गोली।
आ जाओ अंकल, आ जाओ। अरे नहीं, टप्पू के पापा।
अच्छा हुआ आप सही सलामत हो। हाँ, थोड़े काले हुए हो, पर मुझे चलेगा।
एक तेरा बेटा है जिसने मेरा मुंह काला कर दिया और तू कीचड़ में मेरा मजाक उड़ा रही है।
देखिए, मेरे टप्पू को कुछ मत बोलिए, उसने हमें बचाया है। हाँ।
अरे पर दया भाभी, वो चैलेंज देके जान खतरे में उसी ने डाली थी ना।
पापा आप कुछ भी हो, आज से हम स्केटिंग करना बंद कर देंगे, क्योंकि आप तो इसमें चैंपियन निकले।
अरे नहीं, स्केटिंग तो रोज करनी चाहिए। हम लोगों को भी बड़ा मजा आया, क्यों दोस्तों?
हाँ जितना एकदम बरोबर।
मुझे तो बहुत मजा आ गया। अब से हर हफ्ते करेंगे स्केटिंग।